It was veggie time last week. Let's discover some fruits and berries. What I have for you in Master Azerbaijani word of today is garagile. Garagile. Garagile is bilberry or blueberry. I'll give you a little tip, but first phrase and sentences. Phrase first. Taze garagile, fresh bilberries or blueberries. Garagile mürebbesi, blueberry jam. Mürebbe is a jam. In Azerbaijan, you will see a jam made out of, I don't know, whatever comes to your mind. There's a jam for it. There's a jam for eggplant, watermelon, walnut. I mean, use your imagination and ask them, they'll make it for you. It can be jam as a spread, or it can be, you can see the actual pieces of the fruit. All right, enough of that. Let's discover some sentences. Qəbələnin yüksək dağ yamaçlarında öz əllərimizlə yığdığımız o təbii qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı hələ də damağımdadır.